Are you baking?
Hmm?
Are you baking? Careful, you don't want to get the ice, the batter all over the place.
Huh?
Is that going to be brownies? You want that?
Huh?
Do you want that?
You eat it.
You're going to eat it?
Yeah.
Do you think it'll be good? I'll put...
You eat it.
You can eat it, but then you can't put it back in the bowl, okay? You can have it. Good?
Mommy.
Here, you keep
Mommy.
that. Mommy's just going to move this over here. Okay? And I'm going to give you a plate to put that on. Okay? You're going to be fired up in a little while, aren't you? Here, we can set that on there. No, 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 no.
You